So I am inside the Budgie Aviary and I want to change the screen because that screen here, to me that is just too flimsy, you know, see that? So I put a big one on the outside so we have no holes, and take this one away, and another one, a stronger one, goes over it. It's again chop and a half, but what you have to do, you have to do. But this will be the new mesh, and if that is on, I take the other one outside away again. This is how I do it now. Before I did it with nails, but nails are coming on. So the backside from the aviary is done. The new mesh is on. Now I start with the front side. See here, this is the old one, very flimsy, and that is just the security one. I have something in between afterwards. Still working on the aviary from the Budgies. This is the new mesh. Soon, soon, soon. So this part is done. I'm ever happy. That is now the new mesh, way stronger. We have to be careful here because the foxes, pine marten, minks. So next step, a new setup inside for the Budgies.